All right, we're going to take a look at some probability questions here. What we're going to focus on are dice questions and card questions, right? So these are pretty common in the exam. So let's go ahead and take a look. So first question is rolling the same number twice, right? So like, what are the odds of rolling two consecutive ones? So we start off, what's the odds of rolling a 1? 1 out of 6, there are 6 possibilities on a die, right? And what about 2 consecutive ones? Or it could be 2 consecutive 4s. It's the same probability for all the consecutive numbers on dice. You multiply 1/6 by 1/6, you get 1 out of 36. Right? And what if the question was 3 consecutive ones? Right? Then we would have the 1 over 36 times 1 over 6. Right? We just multiply it by 1 over 6 again. So that equals 1 over 216. Okay, so that's how we do consecutive numbers with dice. Just keep multiplying by 1/6. Okay. Okay, 2 dice, right? 2 dice chance of rolling a 6. So here we have a combo, right? So now we have to look at what different combinations lead to a 6. So we would have 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 3, 4 and 2, 5 and 1. Okay, so there's 5 possibilities there, right? And what we want to know is that with 2 dice, there are 36 possibilities. So you can trust me on that, or you can count them up yourself, all the different combinations with 2 dice. And there's 36 possibilities. So that's just a number you should probably get in your head and know that there's 36 possibilities with 2 dice. And that's how we go about solving that one. Okay, on to the card questions. Okay, so there's a face card question. What are the chances of getting a face card in a deck, right? So the face cards are ace, jack, queen, and king, right? And there are 4 of each of those, so there's 16 total, right? Diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades, right? So there's the 4 suits, and there's 4 of each of those, so 16 total. 16 face cards. There are 52 cards in a deck. Okay, and on almost all questions, they're going to want you to reduce that, right? So if we have 16 over 52, if we divide each of those by 4, we will get 4 out of 13. Right, 16 divided by 4 is 4. 52 divided by 4 is 13. And so then a good answer would be 4 out of 13 chance you will get a face card. Okay, again with the consecutives, what about 2 consecutive face cards? Okay, so we know the first one was 4 out of 13. Okay, so what is the likelihood of drawing another one? Okay, so in this setup, we're not just repeating exactly the same thing like we were with the dice question, right? And that now it's 4 out of 13, but if I already have a face card, then there are only 15 face cards left in the deck, right? Because I got one of them. There's not 16 anymore. And there are now only 51 cards in the deck, right? And so I'm going to multiply these 2 numbers together, right? So unfortunately, doesn't work out for nice clean math. We can't cross cancel or anything like that. So that number is 60 over 663, which is approximately 9%, right? So fairly small chance that the question will ask you, is it 60 divided by 663? Very good chance it'll say, what is the approximate percentage of drawing 2 consecutive face cards, right? 8%, 9%, 10%, whatever. And if this number doesn't calculate real easily in your mind, really what you want to think is, okay, 60 over 600 is about 10%, right? So 60 out of 600 we could reduce to 1/10, 10%. And so 60 over 663, it's going to be a little bit less than that. And your mind should say something like 8 or 9%. Most likely that will be the only available answer choice. The other answer will be different enough where you can just say 9%. If not, then you gotta go and divide 60 by 663 and come up with the answer.